Hello there. It's Valentine's at the end of the week, but will the weather be showing us some love? Or is it going to be leaving us outside in the cold? Well, our weather is still largely dominated by this area of high pressure across Scandinavia, dragging in that easterly flow across the UK, and with it some cloud and also some patchy rain and showers. But what else it also does is stops these frontal systems moving their way in from the west and southwest. Could drag in a little bit of cloud and some patchy rain at times, but on the whole, as it pushes up against that high pressure, it stops them moving too far inland. So that means there is still going to be plenty of dry weather around. A different story around North Sea coast though, an area of low pressure swirling around here, so that's going to drag in some patchy rain, also a fair few showers starting to clip into northeastern parts of Scotland too, and we could also see some sleet and snow at times, that mainly across high ground, eastern parts of the Grampians, also parts of the Pennines could see some sleet and snow across hilly areas, but elsewhere largely falling as rain and drizzle, the best of the brightness likely to the northwest of Scotland. Even Dumfries and Galloway could see some brighter spells by the time we reach the afternoon. Otherwise largely dry, perhaps a little bit of patchy drizzle across Cornwall, and temperatures highs are around 6 to 7 Celsius across the south, but along eastern coasts where we see that brisk easterly breeze, that's where temperatures are actually going to feel more like freezing, so still a chilly day ahead as we head into tomorrow. Then for Wednesday, where we see the clearest skies just to the northwest of Scotland, we could see some patchy frost here, and there's still going to be lots of cloud and murk around, particularly around those North Sea coasts, and still some showers moving through here. Still a chance we could see some sleet and snow across high ground, and also a fair amount of murky cloud across parts of Cornwall, maybe even some rain and drizzle here, perhaps just starting to clip into western parts of Ireland too, and still quite a keen easterly breeze, particularly across northeastern parts of England and Scotland, so feeling chillier here, but otherwise highs of around 7 to 8 Celsius in the south. Now, from the middle part of the week, we do still have this battle between the high pressure out to the east and also areas of low pressure out into the Atlantic. And it does eventually, as that high pressure drifts eastwards, start to allow these frontal systems to just edge their way in a little bit more. And it's just this feature by the time we reach Friday we need to keep an eye on, as if we find it slightly further east, falling into that colder air, there is a chance we could see a little bit of snow, but most of the models that we use here at the Met Office have that area of rain staying to the west and also falling as rain. So as we head into Thursday then, quite a damp start across parts of Wales, Devon and Cornwall, still a chance we could see some sleet and snow across the Welsh hills, and still once again plenty of cloud and grey skies around, so another drab day ahead. Still could see 1 or 2 showers just clipping into North Sea coasts. Once again, the best of the brightness to the northwest of Scotland, but anywhere across England and Wales could start to see a few brighter spells by the time we reach the afternoon, and temperatures once again around about average, if not a touch below, highs of around 7 to 8 Celsius in the south. Now for Friday, as I mentioned, just keeping an eye on this feature down to the southwest, largely falling as rain, but could start to see some snow across Dartmoor, for example, and it should largely peter out through the course of the day. Elsewhere, once again, largely dry, could see a patchy frost to start in the northwest, and still can't rule out a few showers moving in along those North Sea coasts, but some sunshine once again to the north and northwest of Scotland, but even parts of Cumbria, western parts of Wales, even parts of the southeast could see some brighter spells by the afternoon, perhaps even some sunshine breaking through those grey skies, and temperatures remaining fairly similar, highs of around 7 to 8 Celsius. Now heading into the weekend, still that area of high pressure out to the east and low pressure out to the Atlantic, trying to push in those frontal systems from the west, but once again budging in to the high pressure to the east. So we do just need to keep an eye on which one wins out, but if you want more details on that, we can always subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss an update. Have a good week. Bye-bye.